Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We're doing another unboxing today, and this time it is the TerraMaster F2-420. This is a network-attached storage device that sells for $300 diskless, and I have looked at TerraMaster drives before, and I haven't been all that crazy about them because of the software not kind of being up to par with some of the other ones we've seen from Synology and QNAP and whatnot, but this has an Intel processor inside and 4 gigabytes of RAM, and that makes it potentially a good media server. In fact, the processor on board is capable of hardware transcoding, and you cannot get a NAS with this processor inside for the $300 price tag that it costs from other major brands. So I'm going to be looking at this as a media server to see how well it does. You even get a screwdriver here in the box for adding your hard drives. It doesn't come with any drives for that $300 price tag, but again, it is a little less expensive than other Intel-based devices with the same chip inside. So I think with some of those other brands, you're obviously getting a more robust software infrastructure, you're getting more updates, but this one, if you're on a budget, might give you the same performance provided you are able to get the software you want to install on it. And of course, we're going to look at Plex when we do the full review, which you'll find at lon.tv. So here are the drive rails here. There's two of them on this particular device. They have a 4-bay version as well. And you got the little power switch here to switch it on. Kind of no frills, big fan here in the back. I'll let you know what the fan noise is like when we do the full review. And of course, you've got a bunch of LAN ports in the back here, 2 gigabit Ethernet jacks along with a USB 3 and a USB 2. We'll see how the software here stacks up. Remember, this one's got 4 gigs of RAM. I think you can upgrade the RAM on this as well. I'll have to double check on that, but I'm pretty sure you can take apart the device here and add in that RAM. And looking inside of here, I think it's probably possible to do that. So we'll keep an eye on this, and I'll let you know in the full review what kind of upgradability options you have. So we're going to do a full review of this hopefully later this week on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, Steve Blixt, Stanley Taub, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.